Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is object-oriented programming. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming, or OOP, is a programming approach that mimics real-life entities in their interactions by using objects created by class blueprints. A class defines the attributes or data and methods or functions that objects will possess. This method promotes code reusability in organization. Object-oriented programming or OOP concepts include classes and objects, encapsulation, combining data and methods, inheritance, acquiring properties from other classes, polymorphism, treating different objects uniformly, abstraction, focusing on essential characteristics, modularity, organized code in separate classes, and reusability. Object-oriented programming or OOP utilized in languages like Java, Scala, JavaScript, PHP, C#, Go, C++, and Python, enhancing software design for complex systems through structured, readable, and maintainable code. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on what is object-oriented programming or OOP, one of the most popular programming paradigm that we use in software engineering and development. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.